Anin kinawea. Hello everyone. Bonjour. Facebook. Nuichkiwenyik. Ebemazuin and Winjishing. Hello to my Facebook friends of the good living. Miigwech gabajayik nangom. Thank you for coming today to check out my video. Gitchinen nam gibidagoshnik. I'm happy you're here. Aha. Ambe majtada. Let's get this started. Welcome to a product from the Canadian Prepper, Canadian Preparedness Store. Bug Out Roll Lite. This kit is the best organizational gear I've ever had. I've ever owned. I picked it up at the Canadian Prepper Store. And I can't say enough good stuff about the material used. If you want to know more, go to the Canadian Preparedness Store, and all the details are there. Let's get it started. I'm going to show you all the sections real quickly, what I got so far. So on the top section, the top 3 panels are going to be my self-care kit. So it's going to be all hygiene and various self-care items. This here is my electronics and light. This is my cordage. These are mini kits. This is communication and navigation kit. This here is the water kit with the Sawyer mini filter, life straw. I got a little map book back there. Tool kit, sharpener, Leatherman wave multi-tool, different kinds of knives, a Mora knife, and also an SAS survival. Emergency blankets, 2 of those, head nets, and PPE. This here is 4 3mm industrial garbage bags, ski masks, rain poncho, hand gloves, lots of room to put more. I got my fire kit on the red panel, tinder, ferro rod, flint and steel, matches, lighters. This is the first aid kit. It's got all the band-aids and boo-boos and medications I need. I can't say enough about this kit. It's just, I could see myself using this for camping, for my ceremonies, fire keeping, for my traveling and vacationing, for all kinds of things, my bug out vehicle, for my home emergency kit. If you want a breakdown of this particular sections of the bug out roll, leave me a comment down below and I'll make another video for you. Thanks for checking out my video. Miigwech, Bamampi, Kiwabmin.